Hi, and so this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change the font on Photopea websites. So first of all, of course, all you need to do just go and open the browser that you're gonna use to follow this tutorial steps. So of course here in my case I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. And of course, when you open your browser, just go here to the URL and type photopea.com and hit the enter button. That will take you into this page, which is going to be your home or your main screen. And from here, actually, you can create a new project, open something from your computer, upload it, choose some of their PSD templates, or you can just drop your file here and start working on it. For me, I'm just going to click at a new projects here, and I'm going to choose a simple template here, and I'm going to wait until it loads. So once it's loaded, you will find your template here at the middle of the screen, and at the right you will find the components or the layers of this template. Of course, you can like click or select any of them and start editing on it, move it, or I don't know, instead of moving it, maybe make it smaller, bigger, do whatever you want. So of course, if you would like to go back, you did something, you want to go back, just hit the Control Z, and of course if you hit it multiple times you'll go to the original template. So of course, as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, which is how to change the font, of course, on this website, which is the Photopea. So simply, let's us select this text before. Of course, because that will work just on text. Of course, if you don't have a text, first of all, you can just go in here and click at text and start writing something. So of course, that's our text as an example. Make sure to select it, the text that you want to change the font of it. And then just go here to this TT option, which is character, and here we'll actually have some fonts like we have this, I have this one, we have this one, we have this one. Of course, we have here several options. And you can even like click at paragraph. Maybe you have a paragraph here and you can choose like how it's going to be written. And of course, you can just go here to character and choose one of those regular waterfall. And of course, choose whatever like characters or fonts from here as well. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching it. Goodbye.